guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another lip swatch video for you guys because I know you guys love it. And I love getting lippies and trying on lippies because it helps me figure out like what to do with my next lippies, you know? So we are jumping right into this one. So get ready in 3, 2, 1.
So much unspoken. Sometimes we're not happy, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here, stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here, stranded with you. We surviving together, said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here, stranded with you. People they call me, tell me I should leave and just be. They don't see all I see. We barely open. Sometimes we feel lonely, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here, stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here, stranded with you. We're surviving together.
Alright guys, that is it for my lip swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite or favorites of all of these lippies. Let me know if you've tried them, if you have them, if you're gonna go buy them. Let me know. That's what the comments are for. As always, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell so you get all of my videos. You know, so that like somebody actually tells you that I uploaded, you know? And check out all of my other videos right here. I love you guys. I'll see you later.